Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about ChatGPT and how you can use ChatGPT to write Fiverr gig descriptions and how you can use it to write proposals on Upwork. So you don't have to do anything by yourself. The ChatGPT will do it for you. Alright, first off, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification so you don't miss out on my future videos. And without wasting your time, let's get into it. Here you can see this is OpenAI website. This is ChatGPT, and now here you can ask him anything. You can ask whatever you want, but in this video we are going to see what he can write us if we ask him to write a gig description. So I am going to ask ChatGPT to write a Fiverr gig description about WordPress developer. Press enter. Now it is writing the description for me. Here you can see it is writing the exact description that we used to. And by the way, it is not copying the description from anywhere on the internet, it is just generating it. Now you can see, are you in need of a reliable and professional WordPress developer? Look no further. With over 5 years of experience in WordPress development, I am confident in my ability to deliver top quality work for your projects. Whether you need a simple website, refresh, or a complex custom plugin, I have skills and expertise to bring your vision to life. Now it is telling us that my services includes WordPress theme customization, plugin development and customization, responsive design and mobile optimization, performance optimization and speed improvements, security hardening and backups, e-commerce integration, WooCommerce, Shopify, etc. So now you can see it is generating the description in an awesome way, and it is also including the important keywords in the description. So you don't have to search for your description anymore. You can just come to ChatGPT, chat.openai.com/chat, and then you can search for gig description here. And then it is saying that I am committed to delivering timely and efficient work with clear communication throughout the project. My ultimate goal is to exceed your expectations and provide a stress-free experience. So if you don't like this description, you can ask it to regenerate another response and it would generate another response for you. All right. And now you can also ask it to write a Fiverr gig description about video editor. So to write a different description for you. Now you can see it is writing a amazing description for you. It is saying that I have a strong background in using video editing software such as Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, and Avid Media Corporation, etc. And here you can see it has generated a very good description for us. Now you got the idea. You can use this website to generate gig descriptions for yourself. And now let's see how effectively it can write the Upwork proposals for us. Now I'm going to Upwork and search for projects here, and then I'm going to choose one project from here. For example, I am going to choose this one, and then I am gonna copy this description from here, and then I am going to chat GPT, and here I am going to write a proposal about this project on Upwork, and then I'm gonna paste the project description here, then I am gonna hit enter. Now you can see that it is writing the proposal for me. This is so amazing. Wow. Now it is saying that dear, now you can here write the employer name, and then it is saying that I am writing to submit a proposal for the project of fixing the scroll issue on the mobile version of this website. I have experience working with WordPress and Elementor, and I am confident that I can successfully resolve this issue for you. First, I will thoroughly test the website on various mobile devices to identify the cause of the scroll issue. This may involve examining the mobile layout and design, as well as any plugins or custom code that may be affecting the scroll functionality. Once the cause of the issue has been identified, I will work to implement a solution that ensures smooth scrolling on the mobile version of the website. This may involve making adjustment to the layout or design, updating plugins or custom code, and then you can read further. Then at the end, it is saying that thank you for considering my proposal. I'll look forward to the opportunity to work with you on this project. Sincerely, your name. Now you can see that this website is so intelligent that it could write the proposal for you. You don't have to write it by yourself. You can just come to ChatGPT, and then you can paste the project description here, and it would write the whole proposals for you. So this is very amazing. All right, and there are some other functionalities that this website can perform. So for example, just for fun, I am going to say I need a calculator, so create a calculator for me in HTML. All right, now you can see that it is writing the code for me and it is creating the calculator for me. So this website is so amazing, it can do amazing things. So what do you think about this website? Do you think it could replace Google? Well, maybe that's just a question. We will see it in the future what would happen. And it is generating this whole paragraphs by himself. It is not searching the web and it is not searching the internet. You can go to the plagiarism checker websites and you can check it that this is a totally unique content. You would not get it from anywhere on the internet. So this is so amazing, you can check this out. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, take care.